In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all sub-projects in Todoist. As many of you may know, keeping your tasks and projects well organized is essential to a productive workflow. Whether you're managing personal goals or professional duties, being able to see the sub-projects within your main projects can significantly enhance your efficiency. So, let's dive into the straightforward steps needed to view all sub-projects in Todoist, making your task management even easier. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Todoist application. You can do this by simply opening your preferred web browser and entering todoist.com into the address bar. Once on the Todoist homepage, you'll need to log in with your credentials if you haven't done so already. Remember, you need to use the correct email and password linked to your Todoist account to gain access. After logging in, direct your attention to the left-hand panel where you'll find the My Projects section. Clicking on My Projects will showcase all the projects you've created, and this is where our journey to accessing the sub-projects begins. It's worth mentioning that keeping your projects labeled clearly will aid in swiftly locating the one you wish to delve into. Next, scan through your list of projects and select the main project whose sub-projects you want to view. To do this, click on the name of the project. At this stage, if you've organized your Todoist well, locating your desired project should be a breeze. Once selected, you'll see the main project's contents displayed. Now, let's move on to the most crucial part of this process, expanding the sub-projects list. To the left of each main project in Todoist, there is a small arrow icon. This icon is your key to viewing the hidden sub-projects associated with a main project. Click on the arrow and just like magic, the sub-projects unfold beneath the main project. You might find this step particularly satisfying as it declutters the interface while keeping all necessary information readily accessible. Finally, here's a great tip. Once you've expanded the view of your sub-projects, it stays that way for all future visits. This means if you switch tabs or leave the project to look at something else, those sub-projects will remain expanded next time you return to them. It ensures that your workflow remains smooth and uninterrupted, allowing you to seamlessly jump back and forth between tasks without having to re-expand sub-projects. I hope you find these instructions helpful and that they enhance your experience with Todoist. Now you can easily manage and view all your sub-projects without any hassle. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.